And now a personal birthday greeting just for you. Happy birthday to you. A happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Once a year we celebrate with stupid hats and plastic plates. The fact that you were able to make another trip around the sun. And the whole clan gathers round and gifts and laughter do abound. When we let out a joyful sound and sing that stupid song. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday to you.
Hello, Dong It's. Maayong buntag and greeting you a grace-filled happy birthday. Another year for you to serve the Lord. May God give you more abundant blessings, more years to your life, and more life to your years, Dong It's. Dong It's, ayaw na jud manigarilyo starting karon. Mura jud na akong wish and pray ni Lord nga mustap na jud kas imong smoking this year so that mo bloom pa imong life, Dong It's. Ayaw na jud manigarilyo, hopefully. And thank you, Dong It's, for granting my wish and prayers with God's help. Yes, with God's help. And I love you very much, Dong It's. I love you. And praying for you always and all your loved ones. And also advance greeting to Don Luis. Don ulitaw na jud ka Don oy. Guwapo ra banggit ka Don. And miss your drum. Ato untang birthday ni Lola Don, nag-drum pod unta ka kay si Ethan nagkuan man violin. Sige lang, next time, we'll see you in your drums. Love you, Don. Graceful greetings also on your birthday on June 21. Remembering you always and keeping you all in my prayers. Regards to Aglo, Ethan. Love you. God bless you all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord bless you. May the good Lord, may the good Lord, may the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday, boss. Happy birthday, boss. Palanggi. Sige naman siya smile. Birthday, miss you. Ay, kanila. Ay, kanimo. Sipe. Sige. Oo, kando na. Happy birthday. Para ni Don. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Don. Happy birthday, Don. Kuya. Love you, Kuya. Go. Go.
Happy birthday, Dong. Love you. How are you? Pakan at tagbaboy.
Ay, nakalingaw si ano. Kanya ina, kandun.
Happy birthday also, Don. Love you. Regards, Ethan and Aglo. Love you all. God bless.
Go. Boss, happy birthday. Lita boss, pila na may imong edad dong. Happy birthday and salamat kaayo sa tanan, sa imong mga for all your love, sa imong suporta, especially sa atong pamilya. And I'm proud of you. Buutan kay ka nga papa. You're also a buutan nga anak, buutan nga igsuon. Unya, I hope nga you will enjoy your birthday as always. Kay Bauko na nasad mo yung mga adventure, and may you continue to be good, and may the Lord continue to shower His blessings upon you and your family. Unya, happy birthday sa advance ni Kuya. Unya, Kuy, padayon sa imong pagka buutan nga anak. Unya, congratulations sa diay sa imong pagka unsa na to nga black belt, Kuy, no? Unya, kanang happy birthday, Kuy, love you. Unya, regards to BD Eats and Aglo. Hello, hope to see you soon. God bless.
Hello, boss. Malipayong pagsaulog sa imong adlaw na tawhan. Boss, hibaw ko nag-celebrate mo ron, boss. Kuan, boss, party karon jud diag maayo, boss. Party. Usami karon sa pag-celebrate sa imong birthday, boss. Magnalipay sad mi nga niabot ka ni anang idara nga maayo atong panglawas, maayo atong pamilya. Boss, manghinaot ko nga panalanginan ka sa atong Ginoo ug daghang grasya ang imong pamilya. Dungagan pagyud ang grasya nga inyong nadawat kay kibaw ko nga manghihatagon sa kaimo. Boss, karon ako ipadangat sa diha nimo ang akong pagpasalamat sa mga gugma o mga tabang nga imong gipadangat diri kanamo. Nagpasalamat ako nga usa ka sa akong manghod nga kay pagkaanindot gani akong manghod ug ikaw kay mga buutan kaayo, mangyatagon ug manggihuna-hunaon. Boss, love you and happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Ite. May the Lord shower you and your family more blessings. And thank you for your love. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Don. I love you. I miss you. Happy birthday.
Once a year we celebrate with stupid hats and plastic plates. The fact that you were able to make another trip around the sun. And the whole clan gathers round and gifts and laughter do abound when we let out a joyful sound and sing that stupid song. Happy birthday!